So how do you multiply two binomials using the FOIL method? Well, we look at the word FOIL, and the F stands for first, the O stands for outer, the I stands for inner, and the L stands for last. So we want to multiply the first two terms, which is x times x, and that will give us x squared. The outer terms, we're going to multiply x times 3, and that will give us 3x. The inner two terms will be 2 times x, which will be 2x. And the last terms will be 2 times 3, which is 6. So we want to arrange all of our terms in descending order. And then we want to combine like terms. Oops, excuse me, that was 2x. So we have x squared plus 5x plus 6.